Good afternoon, everyone. How in heaven's name do I come and close the session after that, man? Riyadh, yeah, it was flippin' awesome. But I mean, there's quite a few lessons in that little talk. Just think about it. There were so many speakers today that spoke about adapting your life, doing things differently. But just imagine his world. He stood up in front of a camera, he spoke to all of us, and he had to find a way to connect with us virtually. And he did that. So maybe that's a little lesson after all the laughter, just to take with us as we go into our everyday lives. But you must probably wondering who I am. Some of you that's in the conference know me well. I'm Marwan Abrams. I'm an executive at Old Mutual, and I thought about it. Earlier we were chatting, Guy and I say, what do I do? How do I introduce myself? So maybe I'll start off. He spoke about the fact that I look after distribution. I'm accountable for distribution for IFAs and for our RFAs across South Africa. But the other part of my job is that I look after a few subsidiaries and accountable for a few subsidiaries in Old Mutual, and Fairbairn Consult is one of it. But the way I want to introduce myself today, and I spoke to Guy during the break, I'm actually quite proud of this, so is Guy. We're actually the co-founders of Fairbairn Consult. And we're quite passionate about what we've set up, and we're quite passionate about the fact that we've built a business, not for the corporate, but he is actually the one driving with his team, a business that's been built for you, the financial planner. And I think if I think about the theme of today, the theme is great about act like a planner, think like an entrepreneur. That's exactly what we had in mind when we thought about our business and thought about Fairbairn Consult. Because what we were trying to do is to take away things from you, because you have to run a business, but for you to focus on what is it to grow your business so that you can think like an entrepreneur while you have to act like a financial planner. And a lot of the conversation today was to give you some insight, and I saw some commentary in the chats, you've picked up some things that will enable you to actually run a better practice. But if I think about some of what we never do in a conference like this, if one of you sit back and you can tell me exactly what you've heard in that AV or read the words, I'll be very impressed. But I want to touch on, just before we close, on a few of the comments that came through in that opening AV, and I'm sure none of you will remember them. But it talks about investing in your future. You need to make that decision. And it's kind of the way we looked at when we launched Fairbairn Consult a couple of years back. We looked at our future, and our future is independent financial planning. And our future is about how do we sustain this industry. Similar to the way you need to think like an entrepreneur right now. You need to invest in your future, but you need to make some changes today. And really think about how you're going to look at your practice differently. And I hope that you got some of that insights today. And it's about your mindset. We had to shift our mindset. Did we want an RFA like Fairbairn Consult that's owned by Old Mutual? Absolutely, because we wanted to sustain and keep you in the industry. And we're quite proud of the fact that we've given it to you, but at the same time, we're excited for you that you've chosen a career and being part of this business. And we're quite excited about that and to have you on with us on this journey. And the other comment you would have seen in the opening AV, it talks about move beyond just running your practice. And I hope the way that Guy and his team, the support they're giving you, gives you enough time to start thinking about, and again, I'm asking you to make that mind shift today, about what are you doing, about shifting your own world and doing something differently to kind of set yourself up, your business, and create a legacy. And that also came through in the opening AV. What are you doing today to be able to set a legacy for you when you do let your business go one day? And that's something you really, really have to think about. And I love one of the speakers said it earlier. They used an example, an analogy, and they spoke about what are you doing to adapt? And are you using technology that you like? Or are you using technology that your customer likes? And you can think about that in your business day to day. Think about what you are doing. Are you doing it because you like doing it? Or are you really thinking hard about what is the need of the customer out there? And are you adapting your practice now to be able to set yourself up to leave a great legacy? And that's kind of a lot of what Guy was intending to do with the course of the conference today. But at the end of the day, this is your business. You are the CEO of your practice. So you need to pick your lane and choose how you're going to adapt your will for you to be able to make sure that your business can be sustainable and you can leave a legacy going forward. But enough of that. I'm not going to go on more about that. I think there's a lot been covered about that today. But maybe just a little bit about Fairbairn Consult. And maybe I'm going to do this, and Guy is going to tell me I shouldn't do it. But to Guy, the team, If I think about all the people that's been behind the scenes, I think let's give them a massive virtual round of applause because I think they've done a phenomenal job for the first Fairbairn Consult conference, and I think it's really great. So over the last 18 months, we are very proud of the fact that we've built this business, like I've said, around you, and it's not about what works for the corporate, it's about what works for you. And if you look at many other RFAs in the business, it's very much about what do we do to enable you. So again, like the theme has come through, to set you up to be able to run your business, but to make sure that you've got time on your hands to be able to do that. And yes, there's many other exciting things, and I'm sure a guy will be sharing this with you later, but we are right in the middle of our business planning process. And I, as the sponsor, as the executive sponsor for Fairbairn Consult, I'm quite proud of the fact that the entire organization is seeing this as a strategic pillar for the business. And we are injecting more capital into this business over literally the next month or the next few weeks, because we've just got signed off, to enable Guy and his team to go look at how can they go out there and buy books. How can they go out there and grow the customer base of the broader Fairbairn Consult? And he'll share more of that with you going forward. And we're in the midst of doing that right now. So this is not a business that we just want to create and let it run. This is a business that we're all backing as an organization to grow to broader than just what it is right now. So it's a key strategic pillar within our business, and that's something we're really focusing on going forward. So look, from my side, I'm not going to sit here and bore you as we close the session. From my side, a huge thank you for taking the time out to spend the day with us. But more importantly for me, thank you for choosing Fairbairn Consult and being part of this business. This business, Guy alluded to it earlier, and it's a very much his passion and the way he talks about it. This business will be a success based on the people in the business. And we want this to be about you as the financial planner and not about us. This is about you, and you're going to create the culture. You're going to set the tone. You're going to make this business grow from strength to strength. So I encourage you to speak to your colleagues, speak to the market, talk to other people about this business. Because with your support, we will be able to grow this to a substantial business within South Africa, and that's kind of what we're aiming for. So thanks for joining us. Never ever forget to the theme that you need to act like a planner, but really think like an entrepreneur. Because if you grow and you become a strong entrepreneur and you've got a strong business, Fairbairn Consult grows, and if Fairbairn Consult grows, we as an organizational mutual that backs this will grow in its entirety. So we're quite proud of the fact that we're affiliated to this company. We will continue investing in it, and we do believe this can be a real force to be reckoned with in the industry, and you've made a great choice and a great career choice to be part of this business. So from my side, on behalf of the entire Fairbairn Consult team, Anil Mutual, go out there, do what you do best. We'll be here to support you, and until next time, we'll chat again. Cheers, everyone. Bye-bye.